Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK, and today we are going to watch ASRB NET Vegetable Science Question Paper 2017. This is our WhatsApp group premium. In this group, we will send you the best study material for your all agriculture related competitive exam preparation, and you will get all answers to your questions in this group. So let's start the video. The first question is, which of the following vegetable crop not belong to monocot family? Answer is sweet potato. Question 2. Monocot vegetables example are onion, garlic, leek, taro, tania, elephant foot yam, greater yam, laser yam, sweet corn and asparagus. Question 3. Diploid chromosome number of spinach is 2x equals to 12. Question 4. Autohexaploid nature vegetable is, which is sweet potato, 6x equals to 90. Question 5. Autotetraploid vegetable is potato, which comes from Solanaceae family and chromosomes has 4x equals to 48. Basic chromosome number of potato is 12. Question number 7. Basic chromosome number of bottle gourd is 11. Question 8. The following cole crop requires highest seed rate is Nolghol, which has seed rate 800 to 1000 gram. Question 9. Botanical name of summer squash is Cucurbita pepo and winter squash is Cucurbita maxima. Question 10. Example for dioecious vegetables are pointed gourd, spine gourd, ivy gourd, little gourd, asparagus and yams. Dioecious is a condition in which male and female flowers found in different plants. Question 11. Flower color of bottle gourd is white. Question 12. Vivipary found in which vegetable? In coyote or chow chow. Question 13. Botanical name of parsnip is Pastinaca sativa. Family is Apiaceae and chromosomes number are 22. The popular product kanji is prepared from black carrot variety Pusha aceta. Question 15. The famous sweet Agra Petha is made from ash gourd. Question 16. Bitterness in brinjal is due to presence of solesodine. Question 17. Red color of tomato is due to lycopene pigment. Question 18. Yellow outer color of onion is due to presence of quercetin. Question 19. Family of parsley is Apiaceae. Question 20. Take yield of okra is 1000 to 1500 kg per hectare. 21. Perennial and dioecious in nature crop is asparagus. Question 22. Take color for foundation seed is white and for breeder seed golden yellow, certified seed azure blue, registered seed purple and nuclear seed no take color available. 23. Chinese yellow is a variety of leaf type lettuce. Next question 24. Isolation distance for cole crop is 1600 meter, 1000 meter for certified seed production. Question 25. Cassava is it is a monoecious crop. Question 26. Example for protoendry type of dichogamy are found in onion, carrot, muskmelon, pointed gourd, rhubarb, parsnip, leek, garden beet, Swiss chard, etc. Question 27. Winter season legume vegetable crop is broad bean. Question 28. Best soil for vegetable cultivation is sandy loam soil. Question 29. Commercial propagation of globe artichoke is suckers of shoots division from old crowns. Example for grain type Amaranthus species is Amaranthus cruentus, Amaranthus caudatus and Amaranthus spinosus. Question 31st. Pusha choti cholai belongs to species Amaranthus bleatum and Pusa badi cholai from Amaranthus tricolor. The species of CO1 Amaranthus variety Amaranthus dubius. Question 33. Palak variety Pusha jyoti evolved through Polyploidy method of breeding by taking all green as a source material. Question 34. Chromosome number of palak is 2n equals to 18. Question 35. Anti-nutrient factor in amaranthus is oxalate. Question 36. Seed production of palak in a. Question 37. Highly susceptible to ethylene in nature crop is. Question 38. In cucurbits, high temperature and long day condition influences maleness. Question 39. Vegetable of 21st century is checkermans. Question 40. Vegetable of 20th century is winged bean. Question 41. Vegetable of 22nd century is watermelon. Question 42. Position of India in area and production of vegetable in the world is second position. 43. Highest foreign exchange earning product among fresh vegetable is fresh onion. Question 44. Onion suitable for dehydration, which is white onion. Question 45. Highest growth of okra after pollination in terms of fruit weight, length and diameter is after 4 to 6 days after pollination. Question 46. Ploidy nature of okra known as polyploid. Question 47. The seed of okra doesn't germinate temperature below. Answer is A 5 C 17 degrees Celsius. The fast seed germination of okra observed at soil temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Question 48. Export standard of okra should be green tender, which is 6 to 9 cm long. Question 49. Tight head lettuce belong to which type? Answer is from crisp type. Question 50. Family of celery is Apiaceae. Question 51. Yarsre is made from. Answer is from pumpkin. Question 52. Fufu made from yams. Question 53. Double harvesting followed in yam crop. Question 54. Staggered harvesting practice done in cassava. Question 55. Public sector hybrid in chili variety is Tejaswini. Other public sector hybrid example is Champion, Daily Hot, Gayatri and Agni. Question 56. Heat unit system is commonly used for determining the maturity of pods in garden P. Question 57. Yellow anther species of chili is Capsicum baccatum. Question 58. Inflorescence of cabbage is known as catkin. Question 59. Root knot nematode resistant variety of tomato, which is Hisar Lalit or S120. Question 60. Harvesting stage of tomato for processing purpose is red ripe stage. Question 61. Male flower in cucurbits can be induced by using silver nitrate and silver thiosulfate. Question 62. Which of the following chemical doesn't spray for maintenance of gynoecious lines in cucumber is silver nitrate. Question 63. 2,4-D is. Answer is it is a broadleaf herbicide used as a post-emergence. Question 64. King of North is a variety of. Answer is variety of Nolkhol. Question 65. Shortest duration variety of radish is Pusha mridula. 66. Self-blanching done in crop cauliflower. Question 67. Blanching is done in asparagus and celery. Question 68. Diploid species of potato is S. fureja and S. stenotomum. Question 69. Seed plot technique was given by Pushkar Nath. Question 70. Excessive use of fertilizer and wider spacing cause hollow heart disease in potato. 71. Gajendra is a variety of elephant foot yam. Question 72. Poisonous species of yam is Dioscorea hispida. Question 73. Anti-cancerous compound found in broccoli, which is sulforaphane. Question 74. Metazania is found in cucumber crop. 75. The scientist first described stigma nature in tomato is C.M. Rick. Question 76. Seedless watermelon was developed by scientist H. Khira. Question 77. Gynoecious line used in hybrid seed production of cucumber. Question 78. Petty pen variety developed by which institute? Question 79. Petty pen variety of summer squares was introduced from country USA. Question 80. Parthenocarpic term was given by Null. Question 81. Central Food Laboratory located at Kolkata, West Bengal. Question 82. Seed Act enforcement came in the year 1969. Anti-sterility vitamin is vitamin E. TSS of tomato puree and paste is 9 and 25. First class preservative is sugar. 86. First indigenous variety of leek is Palm postic. Question 87. Selfing and massing technique was given by Jones and Munn. Question 88. Most common method of seed production is bulb to seed production. Para-heliotropy movement found in cowpea vegetable. Question 90. Vegetables are comes under which category? It is found in angiosperms. Question 91. Plant growth is measured by, answer is from oxenometer. 92. Variety of multiplier onion is agrifound dark red. Question 93. Vernalization temperature of cold crops is 4 to 8 degrees Celsius up to 6 to 8 weeks of age. Question 94. Garlic is a sterile diploid plant. 95. Edible part of celery is leafy stalks or petioles. Question 96. Origin of rhubarb is Siberia. Question 97. Cross of Pusa Meghdut is a Pusa summer prolific long cross with cell 2. Question 98. Puffiness in tomato is due to physiological disorder because of improper pollination or fertilization. Question 99. Pusa Lal Miru tea was developed by gamma rays. Question 100. Inflorescence of amaranthus is glomerule. Question 101. Antifungal property of onion is due to catechol. Question 102. Identification of male sterility line of onion is brown seed coat color. Question 103. Tomato fruit color determined by colorimeter. Question 104. Tomato ripening genes are RIN, NOR, OR and R. 105. Flower color of sponge got is deep yellow. Question 106. Deficiency of protein leads to Kwashiorkor disease. Question 107. Types of brinjal flower are 4 types. 108. Diosgenin extracted from crop yam. 109. First rank in potato production state is UP. 110. Seed rate for TPS, answer is 1 to 150 gram. Question 111. Deheluming in potato before the aphids reach the critical level of 20 aphids per 100 compounds leaves. Sioux and Marchlobe are introduced varieties of tomato from country USA. 113. Bursting of cabbage is due to availability of moisture after long day dry spell. 114. Edible part of Brussels sprout is sprout. Question 115. Hercogame present in crop limba bean. Question 116. Pinching of male flower followed in pumpkin. Question 117. White brinjal is good for diabetic patients. Thank you guys. I hope this video is very helpful for your all competitive exams. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel Agriculture and GK and follow us on other social media apps. Thank you.